Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, this is the video research from the ForexPeaceArmy.com that's dedicated to the euro currency. And we start as usual from the daily time frame. Well, in the previous couple of trading sessions, market has accomplished the first part of our expectations on the euro currency and has hit some significant levels that we have discussed almost during the whole month or even longer time. So what are these targets? The first target is the smallest one, is 1618 extension of that A, B, C top pattern. Market has hit it 128.48. It's right here. The greater target is weekly ABCD pattern that stands around 128.30. It's right here. So that is the CD leg of that pattern. You will find it easily if you will contract the daily chart or even take a look at the weekly time frame. You'll see it. So market yesterday also has hit that target. Also, market has accomplished 1618 extension of that swing to the upside. From that low to that high, first market has hit 127 extension, shows retracement. Now shows 1618 extension from that swing. So this is some kind of the three drive pattern, although that splash is not very typical for these patterns, but still we could treat it as follows. The first drive, second drive is 1618 extension from the first, third drive now 1618 extension from the second. That is absolutely common price action. Also we will take a look that some kind of the bullish divergence coincides with the forming of the third drive, but since this was the bearish dynamic pressure that we have discussed also during the whole week, market has accelerated to the downside, take out that low and create new low. Also you could find some sort of another three drive. This is the first drive, second drive stands 127 extension of the third, and the third drive stands at the cross of the 1618 of the first drive and 127 of the second. That is also the typical example of the three drive buying pattern. If we combine all this reaching of all of these targets with the major fact that market now stands at the solid monthly support, that is monthly agreement 618 major support and 618 extension of the monthly chart, so odds suggest that probably in that area market should form some kind of reversal pattern. Maybe this is this pattern, three drive pattern or something that should lead to the some retracement in respect of that solid monthly area. And many of our formers have asked yesterday that since market has hit all of that targets, is this the time to enter on the long side of the market? The answer is no, since the reaching of that targets is only the first part of the puzzle, the first part of our task and mission. The second part is to find the triggering pattern, the pattern that could will allow us to enter on the long side of the market. And this pattern should appear on the daily, maybe on the weekly time frame, but not on the intraday charts, since we intend to see the respect of monthly area that we could find on the monthly time frame. It's very hard to find some triggering pattern on the hourly time frame, for example, that will show us the respect of that area, since the hourly time frame is too low for the monthly time frame. So this pattern should appear on some higher time frames, and probably the preferable if we will see it on the daily time frame. What patterns this could be? The first pattern, probably this could be this three drive pattern. Second pattern, as you can see that this swing low stands at 1618 extension of that swing, so that could be the head and shoulders pattern, reversal pattern on the daily time frame. Okay, maybe this will appear some, I don't know, maybe some other patterns. how we could trade these patterns and how we could act if some bullish signs will appear around that area. Well, first of all, you can see that current trend on the daily time frame is bearish. I prefer to enter on the long side of the market, since we will use the context on the daily time frame. We will use the patterns on the daily time frame to see that daily time frame will turn bullish. This could happen, for instance, if some kind of bullish engulfing pattern will appear right here. Market will shift trend to the bullish side. You probably will try to enter on the long side even based on that pattern, since this will be significant. This will be some kind of the stop grabber pattern. Okay, if market will show today fast move to the upside and will shift the trend on the daily time frame to bullish. But one thing is odds, but quite another thing is, will market respect that area at all? Since we all of us know that this happens very often when the market passes through some significant patterns, significant areas without any respect, despite the fact how strong that area could be. So that is our task, is to find that pattern and to watch will this pattern appear or not. If if market will pass through this market as hot knife through the butter and continue move to the downside, then probably it will tell us that market absolutely disrespect that area. It will be a very negative sign for the euro, and we could expect some further fast acceleration to the downside. But currently there are some odds exist that market still respect that area, and this could happen with different patterns. One of them is red drive that already has been formed. Another pattern that could be is head and shoulders. Maybe something else will appear around that area. Well, but the first moment that we should watch for is the shifting of the trend to the bullish side. Until that will happen, it's very unsafe and risky to enter on the short side of the market, since, as I said already, market just could absolutely disrespect current strong area of support and continue move to the downside. So the shifting trend to the bullish side is some kind of moment that will give us some more confidence and some additional confidence that we could probably some pattern is developing, bullish pattern is developing, and we can enter on the long side of the market. That is what we have to watch for in the nearest couple of weeks, I suppose, maybe on the coming week. So appearing of some shifting of the trend and appearing of some confirmation bullish pattern on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? First of all, you can see that 1618 extension stands slightly below the market from that swing that we discussed on the daily time frame. Okay, also take a look at that pattern. A, B, C tap, market accelerates, and 1618 extension stands precisely at the same area around 127.32. So market probably could still reach that area and later start to forming some bullish patterns. Our current 4-hour time frame is bearish now. Also, this is not bad context for the Judd Napoli directional double repo pattern. So you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, could say 9 bars in this thrust with separation from the 3x3. So this probably could be the context for the double repo buy or bread and butter sale pattern. But preferably if it will be the double repo buy, in this case this will give us some hope that market probably will show some reversal patterns and will start some retracement that we are expecting currently. On the hourly time frame, we see another pattern: A, B, C top. Market has hit 127 extensions. Here you could see some kind of the wash and rinse of the slows. Hourly trend has turned bullish. Also, if you will drop your time frame to the 15-minute chart, you will see how choppy price action was here. So this is some kind of indecision of the market, shows some kind of nervous on the market that very typical for the approaching of some significant areas, significant support levels. So this is very candles with the long shadows and very choppy price action in that range. So, but still, there is no any significant patterns yet on the market. So keep a close eye on the current price action. Watch some thrust and move to the upside. Watch for the clear patterns that could be formed on the on intraday charts on the daily time frame. The major hour task is to catch the shifting of the trend back to the bullish side on the daily time frame and appearing, for instance, some kind of thrusting move on the inside intraday charts. For instance, if it will be double repo buy on the 4-hour time frame, this will be just perfect, since we could hope on some explosive upside move after that. But again, the major our task, we should focus on the catching of this significant patterns that could give us some additional confidence that probably market has started some move to the upside, and probably market will respect current area. No patterns, no long positions. That is our rule currently. So keep an eye, watch it, and wait for the clear patterns that will give you sufficient confidence to enter on the long side of the market.